we're going to start by doing the shampoo and the treatment. Watch this video. We're going to do a haircut, then you'll see the result. Okay guys, so the next step, we've already shampooed her with the marula oil shampoo. Our next step is we're going to actually put the rare marula oil treatment in her hair. Now watch this. Does this smell amazing? It smells so good. Let me see. I got to smell it myself. Zoom in on this right here. See this? Look at that. It's in this little vial right here. I'm going to put a little bit, it goes a long way. Put that in my hands right here. I'm going to rub it in my hands, and I'm going to go right in on the hair. I think we're going to need another dose of it for her. While I do that, I'm taking my Paul Mitchell 413. Okay, so we're here now. We have to put her under the dryer. It's so hot in here, and it's so, no it's not. And so the next step is to put her under the dryer and to give her about 12 minutes of heat. Oh, whew, it's hot. It's so hot we gotta wear glasses. So when she's done, her hair is gonna feel luxurious and amazing. Are you having a good time?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now we're blow drying our client. After she did the marula oil treatment, Vicky here is doing a fast blow dry, and then we're gonna style her. Look at that. Look at that technique. Then we're gonna style her, and then you'll be able to see how amazing and soft her hair feels. Guys, we're done. Look at this. I'm gonna come around here. Let's take a look at the curls and the hair. Look at that. We did the marula oil treatment. How do you feel?
I love it.